GTA 6 is one of the most anticipated games in the world right now. But what if I told you there's a way to enjoy it straight from your Android device? In this video, I will be showing you 3 powerful methods to help you play GTA 6 on your Android device once the game is officially released. Here's what you'll need. Basic tech knowledge for VPN and emulator setup. An Android phone running Android 8.0 or higher. A strong internet connection, preferably 5G or high-speed Wi-Fi. Method 1. Xbox Game Pass. Open the Play Store and search for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Install the app. It looks like the one shown here. Once installed, open it and sign in with your Xbox account. If you don't have an account, create one. GTA 6 isn't available yet, but once it launches, you'll be able to stream it if you have the Ultimate subscription. Xbox Cloud Gaming requires an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Method 2. PS Remote Play. You'll need a PS4 or PS5 for this method. On Chrome, search PS Remote Play and open the official PlayStation link. Click Download to choose your device platform, but in my case, I'm choosing Android. Tap the Play Store link and install the app. Launch the app and sign in with your PlayStation Network account. Select your PlayStation model and connect your console. Method 3. Cloud Gaming. VPS Virtual PC Streaming. Open Chrome and go to shadow.tech. Click Start Now and check their available plans. The Boost Classic plan gives you access to a powerful setup. Intel Xeon CPU, 12GB RAM with NVIDIA Quadro P5000 equivalent to GTX 1080. Once subscribed, you can install GTA 6 on the cloud PC when it launches. Then, go to the Play Store and search Moonlight Game Streaming. Download the app and open it. Use it to stream your VPS cloud gaming setup by entering the IP address of your hosted PC. These are the top 3 methods that will allow you to play GTA 6 on Android as soon as it's available. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more detailed tutorials and updates.